Hello, we're going to give you a demo about intelligent search. In this case, particularly, it makes search. But the whole idea about intelligent search is we develop the new paradigm of search. It enables users to assemble the product they like. For example, for the young people in college, they may want to assemble an ideal mate they're looking for, okay? Or the customer want to assemble the product they like, certain feature they like, but sometimes in the market they cannot see it, and this technology enable them to assemble what they like. Then we go to every catalog and every place we associate with, try to find the exact match if possible. If not, it can be the best match. If you look at in that customer side, now look at it the manufacturer side. It enabling the sense of the customer desire for the new market in the future. So the manufacturer can plan the trend of the product in the future. You see, that means it's two ways. One way is benefit the customer to find product they like, and in the manufacturer side, it can send what customer desire the product in the future. And that's the whole idea. Now let's run it. Here is we use Android-based smartphone. The app we developed completely finished. And in this case, let me give you first one is in the each column you see it given certain feature of eyes. In the middle is a type of nose, and the right hand side is lips. And let's see, some young college students want to try to find the ideal match in certain database, okay, or even depend on customer like, and they're able to select and search for what they want. Okay. Now you can look at in the security side, sometimes able to obtain certain feature of the suspect, like eyes in certain scenario, nose or mouth or whatever, okay, and they're able to assemble it and try to search for it. But the most important thing we got to pay attention is between certain components, certain parts, it not necessarily to be the same scale. I mean, not the same resolution. It can be different scale, different resolution, but still fine, no problem. And now let us run. Select. In the meantime, we select exact match for the one person. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and see if it can find with the person have exact match. Yeah, finally it appears. Okay, finish, and you see our logo appear. That's adaptive competition. That's done by A. Now the first one, what you see is it really found Julie Angelina from her face, eyes, lips, and nose, and that's what you see. Okay, and now let's move to another one. Okay, let us run another application. Let's select right now two components from one person and another component from different person. And let's select this eyes, nose from one person, and let's select the lips from another person and see how it's swirled. Okay, finally it's done. Okay? And let's see what result is given to us. First, you see we give eyes and nose from Nicole Kidman, and it's found Nicole Kidman. If two parts, most likely it can define the right person with two parts. But it doesn't mean it can guarantee you always find that's the same person. But as I say, it's most likely it can select the person with nose and eyes. And now let's see what about lips. Okay, I'm sorry, here. And so okay, that's what I found. I found this person have a more similarity than the person who have a mouth, because due to maybe the nose and eyes or whatever. Okay, but let's see what I. But the third one. The third one is the mouth come from this, the lips come from this person, and it found that person, but it not favor because maybe the eyes and the nose too much discrepancy, and that's why it didn't select this person. Okay, and that's what we have. And I'm going to give you another one with 3 parts from 3 different persons and see how it's behaved. Okay. Now in this case, we're going to select 3 parts from 3 persons. Let's see eye from this person, nose from another person, and lips from another person, and see how it's behaved. Yes, finally it's done. Okay, let's see the result first, then we come to conclusion. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, what we provide eyes from her, and it found her eyes. But based on my experience is because eyes have a lot of characteristics and they have a strong feature more than nose and mouth, and that's why it favor that. But it doesn't mean, it not necessarily with the eyes, nose and lips from different person, it not necessarily to retrieve the person have that kind of eyes or nose or lips, because maybe some other person have in the middle, on average it have a more stronger correlation than just person have one box over there. But however, in this case it's favor that. And let's see what is the next. I found the person with the lips, exact lip, so it favor that. And let's move on with the next person. What is the best match? Because we provide her nose, and it carries certain feature in this, and that's why the third best match is her. Okay, from her nose. Okay, let's see what is the next. The next is I found another completely different person, but what you see, the mouth over here and mouth over here, very close, and the nose not have a lot of feature. Very have feature, but not a lot. And it happened the eyes here and here have a certain correlation. But remember, in this case, interesting thing is that her eyes is not exposed completely. But if you look at in certain feature, it find some match, some correlation. I just give you demo about the maze search, but this is just an example. But our intention is the intelligent search engine. That's what we want to do. For people who want to find maze search, they can use this. For a customer want to find the product based on the component they like, and able to do it, whether it exists or maybe the best match they can find for you in certain catalog, certain manufacturer, certain shopping mall. Okay, and that's what we plan to do. Also, in security, uncontrolled environment, you cannot sample every feature of the person you like. Sometimes you capture one part, another time you capture another part, so on. And now you deal with the scaling issue, okay, the resolution. And our algorithm, we're able to tolerate that. I have give you a demo successfully to the components search for the face, but our intention is the product search, and that's about it. Thank you for listening.